I don't want nobody else with you. I don't want nobody else with you. Ooh, nobody else with you. Ooh, She like, what's up with me and you? Yeah. What we finna to do?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another wig review. So the wig that I'm rocking on my head right now is the SENSATIONNEL hand-tied 100% human hair and hybrid mix. The style is YAKI 26 and the color is 2, and here's the placard. So as you guys can probably tell from the title and the thumbnail, I was definitely apprehensive about this unit. I was like, yo, like I don't think I've ever reviewed a unit that costs more than like 50 bucks on my channel. And the ones that were around $50 were the Friday night hair units, and those tend to be like really like boosted up on YouTube, because a lot of people who do hair reviews and wig reviews on YouTube have videos on Friday night hair units, and their hairlines are always perfect. If you're a returning subby, you already know what's up. If you are a new visitor, the way that I normally do my reviews is I will do the specs on the unit, and then I'll go over my pros and cons, and then give you some final thoughts on whether or not I think that this unit is worth the money. So let's get started. So specs on this unit. This unit is a lace front unit. There are 3 combs. There are 2 up here near the temple area, and then 1 in the nape. And then there's also adjustable straps. According to the stock card, this unit is a 100% human hair hybrid mix. I'm not sure how you can be 100% human hair and hybrid, but okay. This unit is also hand tied, so there aren't any like wefts or any tracks on the cap like there normally is with synthetic units. The texture of this unit is like a light yaki. On the stock card it just says yaki, but I feel like this texture is a little bit silkier, like it's on the silkier end of the yaki spectrum. I'll kind of move in so you can see some of the texture. This unit is 26 inches and I am 5'6", so it hits like right below my boobs, like at my natural waist. This unit does also have baby hairs. I don't have them pulled out, but there are baby hairs, like smaller pieces, like baby hairs here. There are also baby hairs in the back, so if you wanted to wear this unit up, you kind of have the option to do so. This wig also has a really stretchy cap, so I definitely feel like it's big head friendly. I have it on like the tightest loops that it could be on, like almost like crossing each other to kind of tighten it, because there's so much stretch and so much give on this cap. So I definitely feel like it's larger head friendly. This unit does have ear-to-ear lace, so you could technically part it anywhere, but I found that when I put the unit on like for the first time, it kind of naturally parted down the middle, so I just kind of left it like that. I did not pluck this unit. I just kind of plopped it on my head and put some Got To Be Glued on my edges to kind of secure it, because it's been a little bit windy in Georgia and ain't nobody got time to have their wig flying. So my first pro for this unit would definitely have to be the density. I feel like it's really like natural looking and realistic. It's not too thick to where I feel like I'm gonna be like really hot wearing this unit like regularly, but it's not too thin where like I feel like if the wind was blowing too hard, it would just look really, you could see through it. It kind of gives me like 3 bundles vibes. Like it's like the thickness of if I were to get like a sew-in with like 3 bundles. The next pro that I have for this unit is the texture. It's really natural looking. It's so pretty. It's not like shiny. It just looks really natural, and I love that about this unit. My next pro for this unit is that I have not been getting any tangling for this unit, like none whatsoever. I've been wearing this unit for like probably a week now, and I haven't been getting any tangling. Like I'm so excited about it, because usually with like YAKI units you will see that they tend to tangle up, and just like synthetic units in general, like they tend to tangle a lot, especially like at the nape, and I haven't been experiencing that like at all, and that is like a huge pro for me. My last pro for this unit would definitely have to be the hairline. I feel like it's pretty natural looking. I wouldn't like put it on par with like a Friday night hair unit, but I do feel like it's really natural looking. Definitely like a beginner friendly unit. It doesn't require a ton of effort. I didn't add concealer, but of course you can like add concealer and pluck the part more if you want to customize it. I just kind of left it like it was, just like for display purposes, so you guys could see what it looked like pretty much straight out of the pack. Now let's move on to my cons for this unit. So my cons for this unit. My biggest con for this unit is the shedding. It is shedding like crazy. I'm not getting any tangling, but I am getting so much shedding. Look at that. Like every time I run my fingers through this unit, it's shedding. And it's not like when you first take a unit out of the package and you cut the lace off, you kind of expect for it to shed a little bit because you're cutting off the lace. You may have like accidentally, you know, cut a piece of hair or whatever. I've been wearing this unit for like 3 days. It should not be like still shedding like this. Like this is crazy. And I don't know, see, here's more. This is from just now. Me running my fingers through it, this is how much shedding I'm getting. The shedding is like excessive. Like, it's excessive. So that's something that I really didn't like. By the time like this unit gets like old or you want to change it out or whatever, you're not gonna have no damn hair on this wig. There's not gonna be any hair because it's shedding so much. The last con that I have for this unit is, of course, the price. I think that this is a really nice unit. It's very natural looking. I love the texture. I think it's beautiful. It's very like beginner friendly. However, for the shedding and like the hairline, although the hairline was really good, I don't think that this unit was worth $60. I don't think that this unit is on par with Friday Night Hair hairlines or like lace frontals, and those are $50. And I definitely feel like you can find a unit that's similar or of similar quality without spending 60 bucks. You could probably find one for half that price. I definitely don't think that it's worth the 60 bucks, to be honest, although I do think that it is a very beautiful unit. Another thing that I thought was weird and isn't necessarily a con, but I didn't notice on the site or on the stock card whether or not this unit is heat safe, but according to the stock card, this is a human hair mix, so I feel like it should be heat safe. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see me try to like apply heat or put curls in this unit. Leave me a comment down below in the description box if you'd be interested in seeing that. So final thoughts on this unit. Like I said, I don't think that it's worth the $60 price tag, but I do think it's a very beautiful unit. I think it's very beginner friendly. The lace, you didn't really have to do much to it. I didn't pluck it. I didn't customize it at all or add any concealer, and I feel like it still looks good. I feel like it's like a very good like everyday work unit because there's not like any tangling at all, which is like, oh my gosh. The only problem that I have with it is, of course, the shedding and the price tag. So if you feel like those factors aren't really a big deal to you, then I would definitely say purchase this unit. If you are kind of like a person who wears a lot of wigs like me, you're probably gonna be like, side-eyeing this unit because it's a little bit more expensive, and honestly, you're not getting that much more quality. I think a part of that price tag too was also like the hand tied, but if hand tied is gonna cost me basically the unit shedding until it's bald, then I don't even need hand tied. Like, give me the tracks back. Like, it's not that serious. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Do you think this unit is worth it? Would you buy it? And also let me know if you want to see a video, a follow-up video with this unit and me applying heat to it, doing curls or whatever. But yeah, other than that, that's all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.